everyone, welcome to this class. Today I explain you questions based on speed, distance and time. First thing is that for speed is equal to distance upon time. S is equal to d upon t. This is the formula which you have to learn. Here the first question is distance is equal to 400 kilometer and time is equal to 20 hours is given to you. Here you have to calculate speed. According to the formula, speed is equal to distance upon time, right? Distance is equal to 400 kilometer. We write down 400 and time is 20 hours. Cut them. So it is 20 and the unit of distance is this time kilometer and this one is hour. So the answer is 20 kilometer per hour. Okay. Now the next question is, here the next question is S is equal to 40 kilometer per hour, T is equal to, T means time is equal to 7 hours. And you have to find the distance. So according to this formula, speed is equal to distance upon time. Distance is equal to, if it goes up, distance is equal to speed into time. Now put the value. Speed is equal to 40 kilometer per hour. Time is 7 hours. So multiply them. 280 and it is, the unit is, just see here, kilometer per hour and the unit of time is hour. So if we cut them, so the, what is left? Kilometer, and the unit of distance is kilometer. So in this way you can find the units also. Now come to the module number 3. Here the distance is given to you 18,000 kilometer and time is equal to 10,800 seconds, and you have to calculate speed in kilometer per hour. So it means first we have to convert this time into hours. So T is equal to 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes and 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So we divide this by 60 multiply 60 because 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes and 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Okay, so whenever we are converting seconds to hour, so we divide it by 60 into 60. Now cut them. The answer is equivalent to 3 hours. Now we use the formula speed is equal to distance upon time. Distance is equal to 18,000 upon time is 3 hours. It is equivalent to 6,000. 6,000 kilometer per hour. So the answer is 6,000 kilometer per hour. Now the next question from module number 4 is distance is equal to 35,000 meter and time is equal to 7 hours. Calculate the speed in kilometer per hour. This time we have to calculate the speed in kilometer per hour. So we have to convert this unit into kilometer. So 1 kilometer is equal to 1,000 meter, as you know everyone. So it means distance is equal to 35,000 meter is equivalent to 35,000. If we divide this by 1,000, so it becomes kilometer. Now cut them. The answer is 35 kilometer. Now speed is equal to distance upon time. Distance is 35 and time is 7 and it is 5 kilometer per hour. This is the answer. Now come to the module number 5. Here in this question you have to express speed in meter per second. So before explanation of this question, just look at here. If 1 kilometer per hour How do we convert 1 kilometer per hour into meter per second? 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter and 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes, then 60 seconds, or you can write 3600 seconds. Okay, now just come to this one. 1 kilometer per hour. This time I am writing like this. So it is 1 kilometer is equal to 1000. So I multiplied 1 by 1000. Then R is equal to 3600 seconds. So we can write 3600. If we cut them, so it is equivalent to 5 upon 18 meter per second. So whenever we want to convert kilometer per hour into meter per second, we multiply the number by 5 upon 18. But reverse of this one, if you want to convert 1 meter per second into kilometer per hour, then you multiply this number by 5 upon 18 upon 5. This becomes kilometer per hour. You can convert directly, you can multiply directly by this number, or you can follow this process also. Right? So it means you have to remember one term, 5 upon 18, for the conversion of kilometer per hour to meter per second. Meter per second. Now the question is 18 kilometer per hour. This time you have to convert this speed into meter per second. So according to the same thing, you can multiply, because I told you whenever you want to convert kilometer per hour to meter per second, you multiply the number by 5 upon 18 directly. If I am multiplying this one directly, so the answer is 5 meter per second. This is the one way. Another method is that if follow the normal method, 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 and 1 hour is equal to 60 into 60 seconds. So this one we can divide. Now you can cut this one and this one. Then after that you will get 5 meter per second. You can apply this method also. Okay. Express speed in kilometer per hour. Suppose you have a number 10 meter per second and you want to convert this number into kilometer per hour. So what you do here? As I told you, whenever you want to convert kilometer per hour to meter per second, you multiply the number by 5 upon 18. But if you want to do the reverse process, like meter per second to kilometer per hour, you multiply the number by 18 upon 5. So it is 18 upon 5 and we cut them and it is 36 kilometer per hour. Or do you do one more thing? 10 meter per second. Meter, whenever you want to convert meter into kilometer, you have to divide the number by 1000. And second to hour, you multiply the number by 60 into 60. And now cut them. So this is 36 kilometer per hour. Okay? You can use any one of the method. Now come to the module number 9. Here the question is, Rohan drives his car at a speed of 76 km per hour. How much distance does he cover in 4 hours? So here you have speed is given and time is given. So S is equal to 76 km per hour and time is equal to 4 hours. And how much distance does he cover? So in this question you have to calculate the distance covered by a car. So distance is equal to speed into time. Speed is equal to 76 and it is in 4. Both are in same type of unit. So 76 into 4 is equivalent to what? 304 kilometer. So he covers 304 kilometer in 4 hours. So he covers 304 kilometer in 4 hours. Here the next question is, Bob cycles at a speed of 10 meter per second. How much distance does he cover in 22 minutes? So speed is equal to 10 meter per second and time is in 22 minutes. Here the time is in minutes and speed is in meter per second. So what we do here, we change our unit into seconds because this is the this unit is second. So we also convert this unit into seconds. So how do we convert? As we know, 1 minute is equivalent to 60 seconds. So what we do, multiply this by 60. So it is 1320 seconds. Now we apply the formula, distance is equal to speed into time. Speed is 10 and time is 1320. So it is 13,200 meter. We convert this one into kilometer and divide this one by 1000. So we cut them, that is 13.2 kilometers. This is the answer. Okay. Thank you, class.